For months, astronomers believed 3I, ATLAS would be nothing more than a spectacular visitor from deep space. A rare interstellar object passing through our solar system before disappearing forever into the darkness between the stars. At first, everything seemed predictable. Scientists calculated its path, tracked its speed, and expected another fascinating but temporary encounter. Yet as more observations arrived, the story became increasingly strange. When 3I, ATLAS was first detected, researchers immediately noticed its incredible velocity. It was moving faster than most known comets, carrying enough momentum to cross enormous distances in remarkably short periods of time. But velocity was not what truly captured scientific attention. It was the object's unusual behavior. Its glowing coma expanded rapidly. Jets of gas erupted from its surface in patterns that seemed surprisingly organized. With every passing week, new observations raised new questions. As telescopes around the world focused on the visitor, astronomers began running countless simulations. Most showed a harmless journey through the solar system. Yet small uncertainties remained. Tiny variations in outgassing activity could slightly alter the object's path. Normally this would not be unusual. Comets often behave unpredictably as sunlight heats their icy surfaces. But with 3I, Atlas, the changes appeared unusually consistent. Some researchers began wondering whether they were witnessing a completely new category of interstellar object. The mystery deepened as scientists examined the object's chemical composition. Spectroscopic observations revealed familiar compounds, but also features that proved difficult to explain immediately. Debate spread across observatories and research institutions. Was 3I, ATLAS simply an exceptionally active comet? A fragment from a distant planetary system unlike our own? Or evidence of processes never before observed in an interstellar visitor? Public fascination grew rapidly. Every new observation seemed to create more questions than answers. The object became a reminder that despite all our technological advances, the universe remains filled with surprises. Researchers monitored every change in brightness, every shift in trajectory, and every unusual signature emerging from its expanding cloud of gas and dust. At the same time, attention turned toward Mars. The red planet has always occupied a special place in humanity's imagination. For decades, scientists have searched its surface and subsurface for signs of ancient habitability. Beneath its frozen deserts may lie records of environments that existed billions of years ago. The possibility that an interstellar object might pass relatively close to Mars inspired a wave of speculation about planetary evolution, cosmic chemistry, and the transfer of organic material between star systems. Some scientists explored whether objects like 3I, ATLAS could transport complex molecules across the galaxy. Others examined the possibility that interstellar travelers might preserve information about distant planetary systems long after those systems themselves have changed. While most explanations remained firmly grounded in known science, the broader implications were fascinating. Every interstellar object is a messenger from somewhere else, carrying clues from regions of space humanity may never directly visit. As observations continued, discussions expanded beyond astronomy. Mathematicians searched for hidden patterns in its motion. Physicists studied its interaction with solar radiation. Planetary scientists examined what such objects could reveal about the formation of planets around distant stars. The closer researchers looked, the more valuable 3I, ATLAS became as a scientific opportunity. Perhaps the most remarkable aspect of the entire event was humanity's response. Around the world, professional observatories and amateur skywatchers focused on the same moving point of light. Every update generated excitement. Every new image inspired fresh theories. The object became a symbol of exploration itself, reminding us that our solar system is not isolated from the rest of the galaxy. By this stage, one conclusion had become clear. Regardless of its exact nature, 3I, ATLAS had already achieved something extraordinary. It had reignited curiosity. It had reminded people that objects travel between stars, that matter moves across unimaginable distances, and that our understanding of the cosmos remains incomplete. The visitor was no longer simply an astronomical object. It had become a doorway into larger questions about the galaxy and our place within it. While attention remained focused on 3I, Atlas, another story was unfolding far beyond the planets. More than 12 billion miles from Earth, beyond the orbit of Neptune and far outside the familiar environment of the Solar System, Voyager 2 continued its historic journey into interstellar space. Launched in 1977, Voyager 2 was never expected to survive this long. Built with technology from another era, it has outlived generations of computers while continuing to send valuable information back to Earth. During its encounters with the giant planets, it transformed our understanding of Jupiter, Saturn, Uranus, and Neptune. Yet some of its most important discoveries began only after those planetary encounters ended. In 2018, Voyager 2 crossed the heliopause, the boundary where the influence of the solar wind gives way to the wider environment of interstellar space. Scientists had expected a gradual transition. Instead, the spacecraft detected sudden changes in radiation levels, plasma density, and magnetic conditions. The crossing revealed that the solar system is surrounded by a vast protective bubble known as the heliosphere. Inside this bubble, the Sun's magnetic field helps shield planets from some of the harsher effects of galactic radiation. Outside, Voyager entered a far more energetic environment. Particle behavior change. Radiation intensified. The familiar influence of the Sun rapidly weakened. For the first time, humanity possessed direct measurements from true interstellar space. The discoveries transformed scientific understanding. Researchers learned that the heliosphere is not a perfect sphere but a dynamic structure shaped by interactions between the Sun and the galaxy around it. Its size changes over time as solar activity rises and falls. During active periods, the solar wind pushes outward more strongly. During quieter periods, the boundary contracts. Earth's protective environment, it turns out, is constantly evolving. Voyager 2 also revealed that interstellar space is far from empty. Instead of a silent void, the spacecraft encountered a region filled with invisible currents, magnetic structures, and energetic particles. Ancient stellar explosions, distant stars, and galactic magnetic fields all contribute to an environment far more complex than earlier generations imagined. Perhaps most surprising was the discovery that the Sun's magnetic field aligned more closely with the surrounding interstellar magnetic field than many models predicted. Scientists expected turbulence and disorder. Instead, they found evidence suggesting that our solar system may be connected to much larger magnetic structures extending across vast regions of the galaxy. As these discoveries accumulated, deeper questions emerged. What exactly is the heliosphere protecting us from? How does interstellar space influence planetary environments? What other structures exist beyond the boundaries humanity has already explored? Voyager 2 could not answer all of these questions, but it proved that the frontier remains far larger than anyone expected. Attached to the spacecraft is the famous Golden Record, a collection of sounds, images, music, and greetings representing life on Earth. It was created as a message to any intelligence that might someday encounter the probe. Whether that happens in 1,000 years or a million years remains unknown. Yet the record symbolizes something uniquely human. The desire not only to explore the universe but to introduce ourselves to it. Today, Voyager 2 continues moving deeper into the darkness between the stars. Every signal it sends expands our understanding of a region once considered unreachable. Like 3i, Atlas, it reminds us that exploration never truly ends. Every mystery solved reveals another waiting beyond it. Every frontier crossed opens the door to a larger unknown. One object arrived from the depths of the galaxy and reminded us that interstellar visitors are real. Another left Earth nearly half a century ago and continues its journey into the same cosmic ocean. Together, they tell a powerful story. Humanity stands at the edge of discovery, surrounded by mysteries that stretch across light years. And somewhere beyond the reach of our current knowledge, the universe continues to hold secrets waiting to be found.